Hello, good morning all. So today I'm going to take the next module called the Service Cloud Agent Productivity. Let's go here. And the first challenge is about learn about Service Console productivity tools. Let's go here. And here you can see the detail about this. After completing this unit, you will be able to identify the productivity tools that your agents and users need, and also you'll be able to find out some of the benefits of each productivity tool. So go down, you'll be seeing all these things here that can save your time, like the quickest text, macros, stray, etc. etc. I'm directly going to the quiz. So okay, what are productivity tools? I have already gone through this unit, so I have gone through each lines. I am just here to do the quiz for you all. Okay, so what are productivity tools? Tools to work with cases faster and more efficiently. The next headliner banned for Dreamforce. Tools to work with records faster and more efficiently. Of course, it's tools to work with records faster and more efficiently. Next one, tools to produce more content now. Okay, how do you insert quick text? Okay, how do you insert the quick text? Okay, so definitely there are a lot of ways, like you have already been through this unit. So what I do is I try to find out that specific word, like the word. If you are struggling, then only. If not, then just you can go with. So see here, insert quick text, right? Here you can see some of the, like you can see 4 matches, right? Yeah, it's 4 matches. So yeah, in that way you can find, you can go and read, because like sometimes though you read, you don't get it done. So I don't really recommend you going through this. Like instead of doing this, you can read the unit again. Um, but like if you want to save your time, you can just also do this way, like control find, and then you try to search the word um, in the unit, and you will definitely find. See here the unit. You can see here. Oh, let me do again. Okay, so let's go down. So it definitely looks like to be using a button or keyboard shortcut. Okay, the next one is what happens when a user runs a macro. Wow. So I will try to find out again for you. Macros. Okay. So you can see, you have already read this whole unit, right? But still you may be confused sometimes because you may not have learned carefully, or you may have missed. So if you see the questions again below, you like it's saying like what happens when a user runs a macro. So definitely you can go with these search items to find. See here, macros. Here is the macros, right? So when a user runs a macros, the system performs each instructions on the opened record. Users run macros from the app's utility bar. See here, The system performs each instructions on the open records. You can find out here right here. See here. What is that macros? Okay. You see here? When a user runs a macro, the system performs each instructions on the open record, right? I'm going to select that and let's check the quiz. Oh, there you go. You got 100 points. Thank you for watching.